made you laugh, I made you cry, I made you open up your eyes, didn't I? I helped you open out your wings, your legs and many other things, didn't I? Am I the greatest bastard that you know? The only one who let you go? The one you hurt so much you cannot bear? We were good when we were good, when we were not misunderstood. You helped me love, you helped me live, you helped me learn how to forgive, didn't you? I wish that I could say the same, but when you left the blame, didn't you? Am I the greatest bastard that you met? The only one you can't forget? Am I the one your truth's been waiting for?